my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do a very popular TikTok trend, which is the box dance. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Are you subscribed? Okay, let's get started. So, the very first thing we are going to do is this movement. We're going to do it 3 times. So to do that, we have to start with our left leg. We're going to stand on our left leg and our right leg is bent like this. Then we're going to change and change again. And with our hands, we're doing this movement. So it's just our hands are in fists and we're going to one side to the other one. So when we change, our hands go to one side to the other one. So it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3. After that, we're going to do this movement as if we were saying stop. And then we're going to cross our arms like this and uncross them. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, stop, cross. And now we are going to do this 3 times. So it's basically we are jumping on our left leg. Well, we can also choose our right leg. You choose your favorite leg and do it on that one. So we're going to jump on it 3 times and we're going to kick our other leg also 3 times when we land. So it's 1, 2, 3. And our left leg is straightened and our hand is in a fist. And with the other hand, well, it's also in a fist, we're doing 1, 2, 3. So we're going to bend it when our right leg is bent. And we're going to straighten it when our leg is straightened. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Now, let's start from the beginning. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, stop, cross, kick, kick, kick. Now, we are going to, from here, so our ending like this, we're going to go back and like we're doing this. We're going to do a step backwards. So with our right leg, with our leg that is straightened in front of us in the air, we're doing 1, 2. So it's basically when we step on it, we bend it, and our hands go like this, as if we were saying what again? Instead of this, like I don't know how to explain it, but I guess you know what I mean. So after this, we're doing 1, 2. So we're just after this, we're putting both our legs together and we're going to do this movement. So what we have to do is roll our hands. So we can do it outwards or inwards. We're going to do it inwards right now. And we're going to do a wave. So it's basically very easy to do. We start with our head. So we go back and then we end with our legs. When we end the wave, we sit down like this. So it's basically we bend our left leg, we are standing on it, and our right leg is just in front of us, also bent. So it's going to be 1, 2. So let's start from the beginning. We're doing 1, 2, 3, stop, cross, kick, 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 step, roll. So after this, what we're going to do is do this movement. Now it's a very popular TikTok movement, let's just call it like that, where and basically practically any type of dance, they do this. So it's basically okay, I'm gonna stand over here so that you guys can see. We're just like as if we were saying like in the renegade dance, you know. So it's basically we just start with our hand straightened like this and we're going outwards, like as if we were breathing out. So we're going to do that 2 times. So it's basically 1, 2. And now what we are going to do is 1, 2, 3, stop, 1. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So after this, our left hand is going to be over here as if we were saying stop again. And our right hand is doing circles, so we're going to do 3 circles, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to say stop again, but with both our hands. We're going to do this movement, so it's also a very popular movement right now, and it's basically we're just gonna bend our left leg in front of us. We're gonna sit on our right leg like this, and we're just doing like a bounce. And with our hands, we are showing like, it's like as if we were saying how strong we are. So it's basically like this. So we are doing 1, 2, 3, stop, 4. So let's do it from the beginning. We are doing 1, 2, 3, stop, cross, kick, 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 step, in, roll, ha, then we're gonna do stop with this hand, and we're gonna do circle, 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 stop, 4. So let's do it once more from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, stop, cross, kick, 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 step, roll, circle, 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 stop, 4. So after this, what we're gonna do is very easy. So we're gonna stay like this for 1 second, and then we're gonna clap. So you're gonna hear when to clap. We're clapping, and at the end, this is already the end of the dance, so we can do whatever we want. We can turn around, we can just like step out of the camera, we can just come close, we can do whatever we want. So let's start from the beginning, and we are done. So 1, 2, 3, stop, cross, kick, 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 step, 4, roll, circle, 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 stop, 4, clap, and the end. And that is it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, follow me on TikTok, this is my account, and also comment what dance you want me to do next. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!